guys, Miss Ashley here, ready to do another fun science experiment with you. We're going to do what I want to call the dancing planet, since we're learning about solar systems. Some people like to call it the milk experiment. So first off, you need a little bit of milk, and it doesn't matter what kind. All I had was almond. And you're going to take that milk and pour it just enough to where it covers the bottom of your dish. Any circular dish will do. And then the other items that you need for this science experiment are food coloring, any color, and Q-tips, and some dish soap. They say Dawn works best, but really seems like any of them work to me. So now we're going to make some little planets just by taking our food coloring and putting some dots all throughout our dish. I'm going to use blue. Just make as many circles as you want. And then I also have pink. And then I also have one more shade of pink. And again, it doesn't matter what colors you choose. Just make enough dots throughout so you have lots of little circles, or planets as I like to call them. Okay, so now we have our galaxy that we made. We're going to make our planets dance now. So we're going to dip this in dish soap, just like that, and then we're going to put it right on our planets. And then we're going to watch what happens. You guys see that? Wow, check it out. They're dancing. See what happens when you mix the milk and the dish soap? How cool is that? See it moving, guys? It's still going. See, you don't even have to do a lot. Pretty cool, huh? And then you can even move it around other parts, get a little more dish soap, and kind of just let your kids poke around with it and play and see how many times it'll react when you put the dish soap in. Pretty cool. It's a cool, fun one to watch. Anyway, guys, I hope that you liked my fun science experiment. We made our planets dance. Kind of made it into a beautiful little galaxy. Those are some pretty colors that we mixed together. I hope you guys enjoyed my science experiment. Bye.